Apple iPhone 16 or Pixel 9. One is the king of smooth performance and the other one is the king of smart AI. If you had 60,000 in your pocket, which one should you buy? Let's settle this in this video. Let's discuss price. iPhone 16 is 54,990 and Pixel 9 is 64,900. The clear winner is iPhone 16, cheaper by almost 10,000 rupees. Now let's discuss design and build. iPhone 16 is slim for about 7.8 mm. It's light for about 170 grams. It's water resistant up to 6 meters. Premium and compact. On the other hand, Pixel 9 is slightly bulkier for about 160 grams and 8.5 mm. It is water resistance up 1.5 meters, has a fresh color lineup like winter green and peony. The clear winner is iPhone 16 if you love slim plus light phone, but if you like bold colors, go for Pixel 9. Let's discuss the display. iPhone 16 is around 6.1-inch OLED, very sharp, higher pixel density. It is super bright for the outdoors. Whereas Pixel 9 is 6.3-inch OLED, smoother with 120Hz refresh rate, HDR support and super bright. So here the clear winner is Pixel 9 because smoother scrolling and animations make daily use feel nicer. Let's discuss performance. iPhone 16 is A18 chip, faster but only 8GB RAM. Well, it can still handle gaming, editing and multitasking like a beast. But Pixel 9 has Google Tensor G4 12GB RAM built for AI tricks like Magic Eraser, Live Translate and photo editing. So here the clear winner is iPhone 16 for its raw speed. But Pixel 9 wins if you love AI features. Well, let's discuss now the important one, the camera. iPhone 16 has dual cameras, 48 megapixel, 12 megapixel, ultra wide and 12 megapixel front camera. It's great for video stability, natural colors and low light shots. And Pixel 9 has dual cameras, one of 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 10.5 megapixel selfie camera. It comes with Google Smart features like Night Sight, Astrophotography, Magic Editor and Real Tone for accurate skin tones. So here clear winner is Pixel 9 for its photography tricks. And if you love video shooting, then go for iPhone 16 without any doubt. Let's discuss battery. iPhone 16 is around 3561 mAh battery power, wireless charging, decent but not huge. Whereas Pixel 9 has 4700 mAh battery, 27 watts fast charging, wireless charging plus reverse charging. That means you can charge other devices too. So here the clear winner is Pixel 9, bigger battery plus more charging options. Here's my final verdict. If you want speed, compact design and Apple's premium ecosystem, go for iPhone 16. But if you want better battery, bigger RAM, AI camera tricks and more value in the long run, then Pixel 9 is the smart buy. So here's the deal breaker. If you shoot videos, go for iPhone. But if you love photography and AI features, go for Pixel 9. Simple as that. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tech updates and tech reviews. See you in the next one.